Welcome back. I'm SM, and today we're tackling the daily challenge of packing healthy lunches for picky eaters. If you've ever stared into the fridge wondering what will actually get eaten, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing super fun, easy, and kid-approved lunch ideas that make healthy food exciting. Think bright colors, playful shapes, and flavors that will have your kids asking for seconds. We're turning lunchtime into a cheerful adventure. Imagine these ideas coming to life in adorable claymation. Get ready to upgrade your lunch packing game with simple, nutritious, smile-inducing recipes. Let's dive in and make lunchtime a win for everyone. First up, turkey and cheese roll-ups, a classic combination that's always a hit. We're taking the traditional sandwich and giving it a fun new twist that kids will absolutely adore. Get ready to transform lunchtime into an exciting adventure with these simple yet satisfying roll-ups. They're fun, finger-friendly, and endlessly customizable. These aren't just any ordinary lunch item. They're an interactive and engaging way to get your children excited about eating healthy. The possibilities are truly endless, allowing you to cater to even the pickiest of eaters. Use your child's favorite deli meat and cheese. Whether it's classic cheddar, creamy mozzarella, or savory provolone, the choice is yours. The same goes for the turkey. Explore different flavors and textures to find the perfect combination that your child will love, and sneak in thin veggie slices like cucumber or spinach. These additions not only boost the nutritional value, but also add a refreshing crunch and subtle flavor that complements the turkey and cheese perfectly. Don't be afraid to experiment with other veggies too for extra nutrition. Every little bit counts when it comes to ensuring your child gets a well-rounded and balanced meal. These hidden veggies are a fantastic way to pack in those essential vitamins and minerals without any fuss. Roll them up tightly in a tortilla or cheese slice. Using a tortilla provides a soft and pliable wrap, while a cheese slice offers a unique and cheesy alternative. Make sure to roll them up nice and tight to prevent them from unraveling, then cut into pinwheels. These bite-sized pieces are not only visually appealing, but also make it easier for little hands to manage. Plus, the pinwheel design adds an extra element of fun to lunchtime, or leave whole for easy eating. Sometimes simplicity is key. Leaving the roll-ups whole is a great option for kids who prefer to take big bites, or for those who are always on the go. These hold together well, don't get soggy, making them an ideal choice for packing in lunch boxes. You can rest assured that they'll stay fresh and delicious until lunchtime, no matter how long they sit, and are perfect for little hands. Their compact size and easy-to-hold shape make them a winner for even the smallest of eaters. No more struggling with oversized sandwiches or messy wraps. Lean meats and good cheese pack protein, providing your child with the energy they need to power through their day. Protein is essential for growth, development, and overall health, making these roll-ups a smart and nutritious choice. And whole wheat wraps add fiber. Fiber is crucial for digestive health and helps keep your child feeling full and satisfied for longer. Opting for whole wheat wraps is a simple way to boost their fiber intake without sacrificing taste. Make them extra fun with cookie cutter shapes. Transform ordinary roll-ups into stars, hearts, or any other shape your child loves. This playful touch can make all the difference in enticing them to try new things. Or a side of healthy dip. A little dip can go a long way in adding flavor and excitement to these roll-ups. Think hummus, guacamole, or even a simple yogurt-based dip. Get your kids involved in choosing fillings. Let them take the reins and select their favorite ingredients. This not only makes them feel more invested in their meal, but also encourages them to try new things. They'll be more likely to eat what they help make. When kids are involved in the preparation process, they develop a sense of ownership and pride in their creations. This can significantly increase their willingness to try new foods and make healthier choices. It's a balanced, mess-free lunch that feels like a treat. These roll-ups offer the perfect combination of nutrition and convenience without sacrificing taste or fun. Say goodbye to messy sandwiches and hello to a clean and enjoyable lunchtime experience. Presentation matters, cute shapes and colors. A visually appealing lunch is more likely to entice even the pickiest of eaters. Get creative with your presentation and make lunchtime a feast for the eyes as well as the stomach. Make a big difference for picky eaters. Sometimes all it takes is a little creativity and presentation to turn a picky eater into a happy and satisfied one. These roll-ups are a fun and engaging way to introduce new flavors and textures to their diet. These roll-ups are quick to prep and easy to pack. In today's busy world, convenience is key. These roll-ups can be whipped up in minutes, making them a lifesaver on those hectic mornings. Imagine them dancing in a claymation lunchbox, bringing a smile to your child's face even before they take a bite. These aren't just roll-ups. They're a source of joy and excitement that will brighten up their day, irresistible. With their fun shapes, vibrant colors, and delicious flavors, these roll-ups are simply impossible to resist. Get ready for empty lunchboxes and happy smiles all around. Try these once, and they'll be a lunchbox staple. Once your kids experience the deliciousness and fun of these roll-ups, they'll be begging for them every day. Get ready to add them to your regular lunchbox rotation. Watch your picky eater ask for more. These roll-ups have a magical way of transforming even the most discerning palates. Don't be surprised if your child starts asking for seconds or even thirds. All right, let's talk about leveling up lunchtime. We're diving into the world of DIY snack boxes, and first on the agenda, reinventing the classic Lunchable. You know, those convenient but often not so nutritious pre-packaged lunches. We're about to give them a healthy and fun makeover. We're swapping the processed stuff for a healthier, customizable DIY snack box. Think of it as a blank canvas for deliciousness. The foundation of our snack box starts with whole grain crackers. These provide a much better source of fiber and sustained energy compared to the refined crackers often found in store-bought versions. Next up, let's add some protein with nitrate-free deli meats. Choosing nitrate-free options is a simple way to avoid unnecessary additives and keep things as natural as possible. And of course, we need cheese. Opt for real cheese slices or even small blocks of natural cheese for a nutritious upgrade. Real cheese provides calcium and protein essential for growing bodies. Now let's brighten things up and pack in those vitamins with colorful fruits and veggies. Think carrot sticks for crunch, juicy grape tomatoes for a burst of flavor, and sweet berries for antioxidants. To add some extra flavor and healthy fats, include a small dip like hummus or Greek yogurt. These are great for dipping veggies or crackers and provide a boost of protein and calcium. And if your school allows it, include a handful of nuts or seeds. Nuts and seeds are fantastic sources of healthy fats and provide a satisfying crunch that kids love. To keep everything organized and appealing, use bento boxes with compartments. These divided containers not only prevent food from mixing, but also make everything look incredibly inviting and organized, encouraging kids to try a little bit of everything. Want to add an extra touch of fun? Use mini cookie cutters for fun cheese and meat shapes. Trust me, kids love it. It's a simple way to make lunchtime more exciting and engaging. And here's a pro tip: let your child help pack their box. When kids are involved in the process, they'll feel proud of their creation and are much more likely to eat it. This approach not only gives them autonomy, but also teaches them about making balanced choices and understanding what a healthy meal looks like. Think of it as a treasure chest of food. And remember, variety keeps lunch interesting and prevents boredom. So ditch the store-bought kits with their processed ingredients and limited options. Instead, embrace this fresh, customizable version that allows you to cater to your child's preferences and dietary needs. The best part? Packing is quick, and you have complete control over every single ingredient that goes into your child's lunch. Now picture a claymation scene. A sad, lonely Lunchable transforms into a vibrant, happy DIY box, bursting with goodness. It's healthy, it's fun, and it's totally kid-approved. Get ready to revolutionize lunchtime. Who doesn't love melty, cheesy quesadillas? They're the perfect way to sneak in veggies. Finely chop or shred mild veggies like spinach, zucchini, or carrots and mix with cheese inside a tortilla. The cheese melts, the veggies blend in, and picky eaters barely notice. Use whole wheat tortillas for fiber and add beans or chicken for extra protein. Slice into wedges, great for little hands and easy dipping in salsa or yogurt. Quesadillas are mess-free, pack well, and taste great at room temperature. Customize fillings based on your child's preferences and gradually introduce new veggies. Let kids sprinkle their own cheese and veggies. They'll be more excited to eat. Imagine a claymation cheese blanket hiding happy veggies. A comforting, nutritious lunch that feels like a treat. Pasta salad is a kid favorite, a classic dish that's always a hit. But sometimes we want to sneak in a little extra goodness, right? Let's make it healthier with hidden veggies. It's a clever way to boost the nutritional value without sacrificing the fun and flavor that kids adore. We're talking about a sneaky, delicious upgrade. Choose fun shapes like rotini. The spirals are not only visually appealing, but also great at catching all the delicious dressing and those sneaky little veggie bits, or bow ties, also known as farfalle. These playful shapes add a touch of whimsy to the salad, making it even more enticing for picky eaters, and mix in finely minced or pureed veggies. This is the key to the hidden part. The smaller the pieces, the less likely they are to be detected by discerning little eyes, like carrots, zucchini, or peas. These are mild-flavored veggies that blend well into the pasta salad without overpowering the taste. You can even use a combination for a wider range of nutrients. Toss with a mild vinaigrette. A light vinaigrette adds a tangy flavor that complements the pasta and veggies without being too heavy or overpowering, or creamy yogurt dressing. This is a great alternative to mayonnaise-based dressings, offering a lighter, healthier option with a boost of protein and calcium, so veggies blend right in. The goal is to make them virtually undetectable, adding nutrients without altering the texture or flavor too much. Add small cubes of chicken for a protein boost that will keep them feeling full and energized throughout the afternoon. Cheese adds a delicious flavor and extra calcium. Opt for low-fat varieties to keep it healthy. Or chickpeas for protein. These little legumes are packed with fiber and protein, making them a fantastic addition to any pasta salad. Whole wheat pasta boosts fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion and keeps those little tummies feeling satisfied longer. And colorful veggies add vitamins. A rainbow of colors means a wider range of vitamins and minerals, all essential for growing bodies. Make a big batch for easy grab-and-go lunches all week. This saves time and ensures that you always have a healthy option on hand. Use tricolor pasta or add herbs for extra visual appeal. The more appealing it looks, the more likely kids are to dig in. Kids can help pick the pasta's shape, making them feel involved in the process and more excited to eat their creation. Or stir in the dressing. Getting them involved in the preparation is a great way to encourage healthy eating habits. It's a balanced, energy-boosting meal that provides sustained energy for all their activities, from school to playtime, disguised as a pasta party. It's all the fun of a party, with the added bonus of hidden nutrients. Packs well, tastes great cold, making it the perfect addition to any lunchbox, especially during warmer months. And keeps lunch interesting. No more boring sandwiches. This pasta salad adds variety and excitement to their midday meal. Stealth health at its best. A ninja-level operation to sneak in those essential nutrients without any fuss. Kids just see a fun, tasty pasta dish, and that's all that matters. Happy kids, happy parents. Claymation veggies sneak into a pasta party, joining the fun and adding their healthy touch to the celebration. And everyone's happy, a harmonious blend of flavor and nutrition that everyone can enjoy, a playful, nutritious lunch they'll love. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. For a sweet, healthy treat, try fruit and yogurt parfaits. Pretty, delicious, and packed with goodness. Layer Greek yogurt with colorful fruits like berries, bananas, or mango in a clear cup or jar. Top with a sprinkle of granola or seeds for crunch. Pack separately to keep it crisp. Customize with your child's favorite fruits and a touch of honey if needed. Parfaits are cool, refreshing, and feel like dessert, but are full of protein, calcium, and vitamins. Use plain yogurt to control sugar and let fruit provide natural sweetness. Let kids build their own parfaits. They'll love being food artists. Packs easily and makes lunch feel special. Claymation layers of fruit and yogurt stack up into a masterpiece. A simple, nutritious treat that brightens any lunchbox. Pudding. Meet the chicken and avocado wrap. A creamy, protein-packed lunch that's perfect for growing kids. Mash avocado for a healthy spread, add shredded chicken and roll in a whole wheat tortilla. Add a squeeze of lemon to keep avocado fresh and a sprinkle of cheese or finely shredded veggies if your child likes them. Slice into halves or pinwheels for easy eating. These wraps are neat, filling and full of healthy fats and fiber. For gluten-free, use lettuce leaves instead of tortillas. Playful names like green monster wraps can make them more appealing. Kids can help mash avocado or assemble their own wraps. Packs well and stays fresh until lunchtime. Claymation. A happy avocado hugs chicken in a tortilla blanket, a tasty, nutrient-dense lunch that fuels busy days. Who can resist pizza? Mini pita pizzas are a healthy, lunchbox-friendly twist on a classic favorite. Use whole wheat mini pitas as the base, add tomato sauce, mozzarella, and let kids pick their own toppings. Think bell peppers, mushrooms, or turkey pepperoni. Bake until cheese is bubbly, then cool before packing. These are perfectly portioned, easy to eat, and taste great at room temperature. Set up a pizza station and let kids assemble their own. Instant excitement. Whole wheat pizzas add fiber and veggie toppings boost nutrition. Pack components separately for older kids to build at school. It's a fun, interactive lunch that puts kids in charge. Claymation mini pizzas dance into the lunchbox, ready to party. A guaranteed crowd pleaser that's healthier than takeout. Watch your little pizza chefs clean their plates. There you have it. 7 fun, healthy, picky eater-approved lunch ideas to bring excitement back to the lunchbox. From roll-ups to parfaits, these recipes make food approachable and enjoyable. Try them out, adapt to your child's tastes, and celebrate every small victory. Share your favorite lunch hacks in the comments and join our community of Lunchbox legends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy packing.